Hey, Nick Lacapo here with Penguin Magic, and today, let's crack a pack of the brand new Room 237 playing cards. Try not to lose your mind over the iconic Room 237 playing cards. Designed by Penguin Magic and printed by the United States Playing Card Company. This exquisite tuck box is wrapped in custom artwork and it's printed on matte black paper. It's completely foiled on the inside and out. It uses a standard top opening that is sealed with a custom typewriter seal. The cards are printed on Penguin Magic's signature Elite Thin Crush stock with an air cushion magic finish. They have been traditionally cut and handle like a perfectly balanced axe. The borderless back design showcases a mesmerizing hexagonal pattern, and the two jokers feature two ominous elevator doors. Also included in the deck is a custom double-backed card and a blank face card for magic tricks. Each ace has a large, expanded suit in the center with the custom back design pattern inside of it. The card's indexes are standard size and the suit pips are custom, but very similar to the standard look. The number cards feature the same hexagonal pattern inside various suit pips, and the court cards feature totally original faces, all of which are different from suit to suit. Even with all the customization though, the Room 237 playing cards are highly playable in any card game. The cards are printed using vegetable-based inks and starch-based laminates on FSC certified paper sourced from sustainable forests. This means the cards not only shuffle, fan, and spread perfectly for all of your favorite games and tricks, they're also made with the environment in mind. The Room 237 playing cards are a limited print run of only 2,500 decks of cards, and they're available singly or in custom 6-pack boxes from penguinmagic.com. Free shipping worldwide. So, if you want to crack your own pack of the Room 237 playing cards, head on over to penguinmagic.com and check them out.